Jacob Freedom Caesar. Now say him Jacob Freedom Caesar, I say chairman wa friend official packaging man. What Pobi Power package wa Ghana Paza, I say Jacob Freedom Caesar or ye chairman mu chairman.
DJ Paco Lynch.
I say, ebusia one free sana wa from a year but higher fancy YouTube now. Isn't our from a Miss Jadani DJ Paco Rich. And I bought my from a park also Majodo Pepe. Now there is something interesting you record with social media just by 1 week, 2 weeks na I don't know interest in power or starting between osebo the zaraman and ajagraja aka ubedi blog na okobende na wo fashion competitions or trade on the combination is calculation as only dress pan and I was a shadow na battle no kodwa be 1 week na odu baby na chere or your sofa ajagraja o throw in towel there chale osebo me mentari in araso enti the mobile is obeya bi let me step out muntunu and the truth is that osebo you be on our boutique inti entaro no nyana na inti onyo roko battler I say pressure the bomb in you osebo this is osebo the zaraman yes aka combination is calculation na Ajagraja show in towel now. There were lots of suggestions. Was suggested, man, all the black nazi. But I feel that osebo all the blackness sense of fashion as extreme compared to what he is doing. In Sokobere, Warshisha next opponent. In the Yohana KOD, osebo to me there. There were as an iron as a chide osebo the zaraman, yazanama, or ye. Jacob Freedom Caesar. Now say him Jacob Freedom Caesar, I say chairman wa friend official packaging man. What Pobi Power package wa Ghana Paza, I say Jacob Freedom Caesar or ye chairman mu chairman. It's why are the man announcements and czear and osebo the zaraman osebo to gwere or recall na on why ever ready for every battle when it comes to fashion. And to see what we have to do in there, we need to prepare our mind and ourselves there. The next battle or baban or ye Jacob Freedom Caesar versus osebo the zaraman. Now this is a brief video I made, and before I'm going to take you through some of the pictures of Jacob Freedom Caesar and now osebo the zaraman what pictures inti I'll take you through the first picture. I'm gonna be or yeah osebo the zaraman wash any kente shorts na black top be or the kente be was a design. And you see a Jacob Freedom Caesar, or your full ninja, your friend and afeze. Washishana one day, or ye ninja, American ninja, say Togolese ninja, and or the abohonum. Jacob Freedom Caesar, no, and boy in our automatic calculation, or to me yet the combination, the calculation. Basha Sebo, and a Jacob Freedom Caesar, or the abohon, ne so basha. I say, pardon packaging of the levels in different. Yojina or your boat to say yachido and a cherry. Why you actually import trying to pictures in the treatments in a lights and a what's a manana or your epic. You see, Jacob Freedom Caesar na iso cabio combination na extra picture na when them was a wallpaper ni bipa Freedom the Caesar. Extra na Charlie. When you put the props and now your show, Sebo the zaraman and confirm when as answer medze or your Jacob or your new entry into the fashion beefing. Mezana pictures, meze show and I wash yours. Sebo pa jata one was in a photo shoot. And see, that is what we are waiting for. The zaraman. Also, combination is a calculation. On Nizini Ibini. We are all waiting for that great battle between Osebo and a Jacob Freedom Caesar. Who will win this battle? Also, you can actually tell. Leave your comment and you probably win it and battle. But me, still, my bet is on Jacob Freedom Caesar. But let's see what Osebo can also do. I'm out of here. We're from Parkour to the rich. Able to subscribe, now share, now back a family. No, my kawan. I hire fancy YouTube. I'm out of here.
DJ Paco Rich.